Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. So today we're just going to do milk pudding, which is a very easy dessert and very simple to make. And just 3 ingredients, that's milk, condensed milk and bread. So actually this was my mother's favorite, so I made it in memory of her yesterday. So what you need is 1 liter of full cream milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and about 6 or 8 slices of bread cut into 4 without the crust, 2 tablespoons corn flour custard powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So you boil the milk for about 15 minutes to reduce it. Then you pour in the condensed milk and mix well. Keep mixing and cooking on low heat for some time till it reduces a little. Then you add in your vanilla essence and again stir. Okay, meanwhile you take 2 tablespoons of corn flour or custard powder and make a paste with a little water. Okay, so now you add this paste or slurry into the milk mixture and keep on stirring. Okay, keep cooking and stirring till the mixture thickens a little. It need not coat the spoon. So just keep stirring. Then you take your bread, and once it gets thick, you mix in your bread. Now you could use any bread that you like. I've used butterscotch bread, but you could use any bread of your choice. And if you want, you could toast your bread or even spread jam on it before you add it. So just cook for a little while and then switch off. Then you transfer the whole pudding to a glass bowl and allow it to cool. Okay, you could see that the bread is soaking into the milk. So let it cool for a bit. Okay. So now it's time to garnish. I've used you could use chopped nuts or berries, but what I've done is I've used roasted almonds slices. So this is really good, and once you've topped it well, you need to take your whole pudding and refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours before serving. Okay, so your milk pudding is now ready. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Please tell your friends to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoyed making this fantastic milk pudding. Take care. And thank you for watching. Bye.